Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Discs in a Bag probability template, which is a smart notebook template designed to help you teach your students about probability using discs, colored discs in a bag. You can find the template here. And when you do download the template, it'll look like this. As you can see, there's only two slides in this template. The first is one where you can simply click a few times and then start typing in your own heading, and then click a few times underneath and start typing your own introduction or instructions. The second slide is where the questions and answers will go. Now, before you put in any questions or answers, it's a good idea to make a clone of this slide. So right click on slide 2 and select clone page or Control D. That way you've got a spare copy underneath, so you can type your question on slide 2 here, and then if you want to add another question, you've got a blank copy underneath on slide 3. So let's go back up to slide 2. Alright, we'll type in a question. Okay, so what's the probability of picking a blue disc out of the bag? Now all of these discs are here and they're set up using the infinite cloner tool, so you can just drag down as many of each one as you like. Okay, and we'll say okay. So as you can see, there's 2 out of 5 is going to be your answer, so type in 2 over 5, and you can type your answer in sentence format here as well. Okay, what you might like to do to accompany your answer is also put the favorable outcomes on top to give a good visual of for the kids. And might even put those blue ones down the bottom as well, so you can see the favorable outcomes here over the total possible outcomes, and that helps the kids get a good visual. And then just move your screen shade up so the kids are looking at the question and looking at the stimulus here, and then once you've discussed it with the class, you can reveal the answer when you're ready. Okay, and like I said, slide 3 remains blank, so you can go and pop in a new question to slide 3. Now I'd probably make a clone of that page again, so you've got one down the bottom, and slide 3 is ready to go for your next question. Okay, thanks very much. I hope you get some use out of it.